email newsletters is yung na-overwhelm yung email natin. So, this is an upgrade to the quiz number 2 actually. Kasi 'di ba sa quiz number 2, on the number 2 question, we ask you to register to 5 websites per category, a total of 20, and that's for the old quiz that we have. And today, I just updated the quiz na hindi nyo na kailangan mag-register to all the websites. This will save you time. And at the same time, hindi nyo kailangang mapuno ng emails or newsletters sa email ninyo. This is just a completely separate tool. Now, all you have to do is register and then you go to this website and check the newsletters. Now, si SalesGazer allows us to search, ayusin yung mga deals na nakikita natin sa internet via the website or newsletters ng mga websites nang hindi kailangang mapuno ng newsletters or sumabog ng napakaraming newsletters yung ating inbox. Ito ay free at walang bayad, so we have to maximize on this, and at the same time, it saves us time na i-declutter or i-organize ang ating email, and you don't need to use US and UK anymore actually. So I just found out about this, and instead of making you create 2 emails for the UK and the US, why not just create 1 newsletter emails, andun na lahat. And this is for the newsletters, and I would really recommend na every time you start your sourcing dun sa mga experience na or may clients na or yung nag-work na sa PR, to use SalesGazer and check your newsletters when you try to systematize your day. Try to plan your day ahead kung saang websites ka pupunta for that particular day. So SalesGazer is useful to sellers and their VAs, tayo, doing online arbitrage via newsletter sourcing. Kasi those newsletters are going to give us a heads up or an idea kung saan may magandang sale. Now, SalesGazer can be used in different countries, particularly in the US and in the UK. Pwede na siya sa Australia, Germany, Canada, Mexico, Spain, France, Italy, Japan, and India. Unfortunately, hindi pa kasama ang Philippines. Pero with these countries, super sulit na rin siya. Pero mostly, I think we're just going to use US and UK. But if you do have Canadian clients or clients who are selling in Canada, then you would be able to maximize on this. So, paano nga ba gamitin si SalesGazer? So, wala na po yan. Let me just direct you to the website itself. So, it's stargazer.com. And then, this is what you're going to see. You just need to sign up for free. Kasi libre lang naman siya. So, we sign up. And I already have an email in mind. And then you also have to create a password that you can use for this website. Or actually, sorry, not log into the account, but sign up free. So I'm going to put the email that I want to use. And then my first and last name. And then the password that I want to use. Pwedeng may pop-up na merong suggestion ng password, pero I'd rather use something na madali kong maunawaan or madali kong ma-recall or madali kong maalala. And then just create the account, and then it's going to ask you to log back in. And then it's going to ask you to subscribe to newsletters, and then subscribe. And then let's see, ano na nangyari dito. Wait lang ha. Okay, so nag-subscribe na ako pero ayaw niya akong papasukin. So let's try and try to log in to SalesGazer. I already subscribed. And sabi niya, thank you for subscribing. Let me see. Kasi dapat daw may email and then you, what they call this, confirm the email. Actually, may isang account akong ginawa. Pero the other account actually does not, I did not receive any email at all. And then, pero nagagamit ko siya, but I don't want to use that email sana. But let's see. Let me just pause for a bit. Okay, so nakailang back ako and then resubmit subscription, ayaw. Tas biglang ng error. Ginawa ko, binalik ko siya dito sa salescaser.com. Let's try to log out and log back in again. So, ganito yung itsura niya pag bago pa. So, what you do is click this gear icon. So, it'll show you. Now, you can choose the country, kung anong country yung gusto mong i-subscribe. So, this is like isang one-stop shop lab. Hindi yung katulad ng ginagawa natin sa previous quiz na you need to go to the website, sign up, So, ito hindi na. So, syempre, US yung client ko, so I would want to go for US. Pag UK yung client nyo, you can also go for UK. But for your hands-on purposes, you register sa UK and sa US. And then, yun nga, if you have clients in Canada or in, let's say, Australia or Germany, pwede rin. Let's go for USA. So, dito, makikita nyo, pwede nyo piliin yung country. You can type the store, let's say, Bath and Body Works. So, ayan, lumalabas. And then, ito yung website, domain. And then, ito yung last page na may email sila. So, what you have to do is, click on subscribe here dun sa mga websites na gusto nyong i-subscribe. Now, there are 1,626 email or websites here. And it's up to you kung lahat sila i-register nyo. Kasi if you go through all of them, the only downside is sobrang dami ng email nyo. Let's say in a day, 1,000 yung marireceive nyo dito sa SalesGazer nyo. And that's for the US alone. Hindi pa kasama yung UK. So, yun. So, you can choose kung anong gusto nyo. And then, yun, subscribe na kayo. And then, kung bago-isip nyo, mga sa website. Ayan, it's either you can just turn it off or unsubscribe. I-select nyo and then i-unsubscribe nyo. Store, let's say, Bath and Body Works. So, ayan, lumalabas. And then, ito yung website, domain. And then, ito yung last place na may email sila. So, all you have to do is click on subscribe here dun sa mga websites na gusto nyong i-subscribe. Now, there are 1,626 email or websites here and it's up to you kung lahat sila i-register nyo. Kasi if you go through all of them, the only downside is sobrang dami ng email nyo. Let's say in a day, 1,000 yung marireceive nyo dito sa SalesGazer nyo. And that's for the US alone. Hindi pa kasama yung UK. So, yun. So, you can choose kung anong gusto nyo. And then, yun. Subscribe na kayo. And then, kung kunyari, nagbago isip nyo, wala namang maganda sa website na yan, it's either you can just turn it off or unsubscribe. I-select nyo and then i-unsubscribe nyo. So, yan. Okay. So, ayan, may inbox ang pumasok galing sa Big Cats Coffee and so on. So, lahat ng na-register natin, meron siyang promotion na isi-send like on a daily basis. If you're in the UK, you might want to go for Saraneva kasi iba-ibang countries na to. That's for the US lang muna. And then, if I wanna go to the UK, pwede si Chemist Direct. Okay yan, Saraneva. Yung mga kilala ko lang, but you can also try the others because for sure these are legit websites. Ito pang toys, iba kasi hindi ko masyadong kilala. And may number 7 na pala sa UK mismo. And And then Lux Plus, pero may membership si Lux Plus. Boots, actually. Pero Boots kasi medyo mahirap maghanap dyan. Pero for your hands-on purposes, pwede silang magamit. So, it's up to you if you wanna go for all of them. And then, ang gagawin mo na lang is, ano mo na lang siya, anong tawag doon? I-organize mo na lang or by keyword na lang yung gagawin mo. If ever na, ayun, dumami na agad yung aking emails. So, ang gagawin natin dito, pag newsletter sourcing ka na, ayan, titingnan mo yung pwede mong i-star yung mga gusto mong balikan later. So, every day, titingnan mo, kasi dito makikita mo naman kung kailan sila huling nag-send ng email. Titingnan mo yung mga posibleng okay sa'yo na mga, yung may mga ilang percent na discount, na nakikita natin, 15% off. And then, you can go to the start and dun ka magsisimulang mag-source. So, ang gagawin lang dito is on a daily basis, check your inbox and check for stores that have promotions for that day na posibleng maging potentially magandang source ng leads ninyo. I'm not sure if you're doing this kasi yung iba diretso na agad sa website or nagde-reverse sourcing na agad and all that. Pero if you do manual sourcing, newsletter sourcing is a good start and then saka ka magma-manual sourcing. So yun lang guys, I hope may natutunan kayo today. So for question number 2 sa quiz natin, ganito na yung gagawin nyo. You register sa SalesGazer and then after registering, pag may ganito na kayo, then you can log out na. And then, you can just put sa question number 2, ang sagot lang ay done. D-O-N-E. Yun lang. Pwedeng capital, pwedeng hindi, whatever. Basta ginawa nyo na tong step na to. So, yun lang. And I'll just create another video